inmate's journey and the struggles beyond the prison walls. Listen to this story about a man who decided he wanted to finish school while he was still incarcerated. But the first person who tried to talk him out of it wasn't a teacher or a judge. It was his own cellmate, the guy only feet away for years. His cellmate told him the world had moved on and that nobody was waiting for him, and said that going back to school and not finishing would only make the disappointment hit harder. And after hearing it enough times, he started to believe it. There were nights he sat staring at the walls and ceiling, wondering if he had been locked up too long, questioning if life had passed him by, wondering if he was already too far behind in society to ever catch up. When he finally came home, he thought freedom would feel like a clean slate. Instead, the doubts followed him right into the living room. This time, the voices came from people he knew, old friends, and especially family. His buddies questioned his every effort to move forward with a new life, and telling him a diploma wouldn't change how the world sees him. Folks who remembered his past more than they believed in his future. They joked about his age, reminded him of how long he'd been locked up. They questioned why he wanted to try now. People asked him if he thought it would even matter at this point. They whispered about his record like it was the only thing that defined him. They kept bringing up the version of him he was trying so hard to leave behind. What they didn't realize was how heavy their words felt, how much anxiety they added to the fear he already carried. Dread of being judged for trying, fear of failing in front of the people he cared about, worry that maybe his cellmate had been right all along. Some adults would soar if the people around them stopped clipping their wings. But one day, something clicked. The people who truly love you will cheer for your growth. The ones who fear or don't believe in your growth will try to discourage it. From this moment on, let this be the sign to begin choosing yourself. Move quietly and bravely, no longer waiting for anyone's approval. Remember, you've paid your debt. It's time to move forward. Everyone deserves another chance to do better and have better. Your life is not a waste. You are a man who can still change the world. Go, take back your life and seize your future for you. Get the education you've been after. It's yours if you want it. Keep taking those steps, and soon this world will slowly begin to open doors in ways you never expected. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and tell us your story. You got this.